Okay, let's get started with this. First, I'm going to show you I am using a mid 2011 Mac and the OS version is High Sierra. So you need to download this open patch from the description. Okay, in open patcher you have two options. You either have if you have already downloaded the OS, then choose that, or if you want to download, then click on download. It will show you a list of options, as you can see, Ohio, Sonoma, and everything. So I'm gonna choose Monterey because my system is almost good for Monterey. Above it, it's gonna be a slow version. So you're gonna choose the Monterey, and we'll put it on download. As you can see, it's 4 GB RAM. Then click download. I have already downloaded, so let's go to the second setup. And here for more options, you can choose here. And you have to click on build and make sure your USB is plugged in. Choose the USB, and in some cases if your USB is not formatted it will not show you any bootable. So I'm gonna show you. Open your disk utility and then you have to find your USB and then erase it and make sure you use Mac General, not FAT32 or NTFS, because in Mac General, in MacBooks, it's normally a Mac General, not anything else. So format it in Mac General, and after that format, skip this one, and there you go. Your drive is format. Close the disk utility and choose this hard disk. There you go. Open Patcher allow you to update any Mac versions like Monterey, Sonoma, Ohio, or whatsoever. You just have to check the requirements. For in my case, I'm using iMac that is running on i5. Okay, here is my Mac OS USB is completed, so I'm gonna show you that there is a logo. There is Monterey logo here. Now we'll boot the Mac from this USB and install the Mac OS. Let's get started with the camera. Just reboot your Mac and keep pressing the Alt key or Option key, from which you can boot from the USB. And from the USB, we will choose Monterey. It will take a little bit of time. Just wait. Don't remove your finger from Alt key. Okay, here you can see the blue icon on the right corner with the yellow icon on it. This is our custom USB, so we're gonna choose that one. This one, the yellow one, is basically officially Mac. If you try to install from it, you will see this error. So you have to choose the blue one, and then we'll go to the Mac. It'll boot from the Open Legacy Patcher, and then we'll choose the Monterey, and then we'll boot into the Monterey. Okay, here we are. Now we'll choose the disk utility first and make sure that our drive where we want to install it's already empty. So I'm gonna choose the drive and we will erase it in Mac General as well. After it's done, close the disk utility and install your Montera. There you go. and we are installing it without internet, so don't worry about the net or connectivity issues as well. Agree, choose the drive, next, and then wait. I'll be back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, after all done, you will get this monterey, but there is one process that you have to do. You just have to patch your drive with the patcher this time. So next time when you try to turn it on, it will go directly to your Mac. And if you update it to Ohio, don't try from there. Just again make a to Ohio bootable from from the patcher and then patch it. If you try to update it from here, then I think from reboot everything will be erased or damaged.